Lloyd Sutton. Born in Columbus, Ohio in 1951, Lloyd Sutton graduated from West High School. He became second lieutenant after graduating from West Point Academy. Lloyd completed U.S. Army Flight School as the first honor graduate, as well as earning the U.S. Army Parachute Badge and Army Ranger Tab. An expert in planning, flying, and executing live fire with the Joint Air Attack Team, Lloyd advanced to Operations Officer with the 201st Divisional Aviation Assault Helicopter Company in South Korea. From 1980 through 2004, Lloyd served as Aviation Unit Commander at every level of command in the Michigan Army National Guard, while also commanding the Attack Helicopter Battalion, the Assault Helicopter Battalion, and 6 battalions of the 63rd Troop Command. A Master Aviation Badge holder with more than 2,500 accident-free pilot hours, Lloyd earned a Master of Business Management Systems degree from the University of Southern California and a Master of Strategic Studies degree from the U.S. Army War College. He is an elected board member of the West Point Alumni Class of 1973 and Class Treasurer. Colonel Lloyd Sutton's awards and decorations include the Army Distinguished Service Medal, Army Meritorious Service Medal, Army Commendation Medal, Army Achievement Medal, Reserve Components Achievement Medal, National Defense Service Medal, Overseas Service Ribbon, Army Service Ribbon, and Korea Defense Service Medal. For his service to our nation, Lloyd Sutton is inducted into the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.